Hi, everyone. Josh Rugger here with a quick Weather Live update this morning. Of course, we got Good Day NWA recording in just a few moments. We wanted to give you an update on what exactly is going on with the showers and thunderstorms that are moving through northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. Obviously, last night we had some pretty intense rounds of showers move through portions of the River Valley. And right now, I think the strongest piece of energy yet is beginning to move through the area. So this particular complex of storms is going to have the highest chance for strong to severe thunderstorm potential, especially along and south of Interstate 40. Now, we do have a special weather statement on this one thunderstorm that's going on just off to the west of Fort Smith right now. And I believe we could take a look at one of our WeatherBug Network cameras on that as well near the Fort Smith Public Library. So let me pull that up real quick. But we do have a pretty nasty shelf cloud that's moving through the River Valley, truth be told. And this could allow for some pretty intense thunderstorm development as we go throughout the rest of the morning hours. So I'm going to show you that right here on Weather One. So it does look like this storm is beginning to push through right now. You can see maybe a hail core developing on the western side of that storm. So right now, this storm is below severe limits, but it could become severe within the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. So we're going to watch those trends very closely. Right now, the hail is about dime size, so that is below severe limits. Probably some gusty winds going on as well. But thankfully, the tornado potential is going to remain low with all these thunderstorms that move through northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. That warm front doesn't look like it's going to make its way through. We were talking about that last night. I do think those showers and storms are going to be relatively below severe limits in most locations in northwest Arkansas. I know we got a question on the threats of rain in Branson this afternoon and evening. Tay, there will be the potential for some showers and storms later on this afternoon and evening in Branson. Now, it won't be nearly as intense as what we're about to see in northwest Arkansas, but we do have quite a bit of energy that's moving through the area right now. So just make sure you're staying aware of that if you got plans there, unless you're maybe heading to Silver Dollar City, I'm assuming, or doing some other outdoor activities there. Just keep an eye on the sky, especially late this afternoon to the evening near Branson, Missouri. So wanted to show the latest future track real quick because I know a lot of folks want to see the timing of these showers and storms, and obviously a lot of things can and will change, but I think the models have a pretty good grasp at what exactly is going to go down as we move throughout the rest of the day today. You can see that secondary piece of energy just now surging to the north here in NWA. Look at this, though. This is a big reason why the severe weather potential is low. These temperatures are in the upper 40s to right around 50 degrees. That tells you that instability is very low across our area. But again, in the River Valley and Scott and LaFleur County near Waldron and Poto, those areas are going to have the best chance for that warm front to lift a little bit farther north and make these storms more surface-based. So we'll watch those trends very closely and let you know about the latest details there. There's that additional shower and storm development that's going on. So, Tay, if you're still on right now, you can see those storms still moving through Branson, albeit in a weakened state, so it's not going to be nearly as heavy. And I do think the majority of the activity is going to be out of the area by the time we get to early Tuesday morning with perhaps some wraparound sprinkles or drizzle as you go throughout your morning commute tomorrow. In terms of exact rainfall totals, not looking all that significant. I don't think the flash flooding potential is all that high, but a half inch of rain in far northwestern Arkansas and about 1 to 2 inches of rain is a good bet in the River Valley. Again, that's additional rainfall on top of what we've already seen during the previous night. There's the 2-day forecast timeline as well. 80% chance of showers and storms through about 1 to 2 o'clock, with those rain chances dropping off to right around 20% by the time we get to early Monday morning. I also want to give you a sneak preview on what we're thinking as we move throughout the rest of this week. I know a lot of folks may be going out and about doing some traveling on the busiest holiday week of the year in terms of travel. And you can see that system moving out of the midsection of the country pretty quickly. I think Wednesday is going to be fantastic for traveling over the midsection of the country. But check this out, the Baja Blast Express coming in from the Baja region of Mexico. Folks, the models are going to struggle mightily with this piece of energy. It's going to be moving in right around Thanksgiving into Friday. So if you got some outdoor activities planned either day, or maybe you're heading out to Razorback Stadium on Friday, just keep an eye on that. I don't think it's going to be all that widespread in terms of the shower and storm chances, but still something we're going to be watching very closely as our next big weather maker comes in during the early part of next week. And a quick look at that 7-day forecast as well. High temperatures in the middle 50s today, upper 40s behind that front on Tuesday. Thanksgiving, honestly, not too bad. Temperatures right where they should be for this time of year in the upper 50s, with overnight lows in the upper 20s to right around 30 degrees. There's that 20% chance of precipitation Thursday through Sunday as well. River Valley high temperatures in the lower 60s on Monday, middle to upper 50s through Thanksgiving, with overnight lows generally in the middle 30s. But again, I'll keep an eye on Mega Doppler this morning. Again, this tornado potential is going to be very low, but we still could see some hail and maybe some isolated gusty winds up to 50 miles per hour in portions of the River Valley when all is said and done. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up because I know Good Day needs to record, but stay safe, everybody. Take it nice and easy on those roadways as we go throughout the day today. And Dan Scoff and Peyton Langford will have the latest coming up later tonight. Have a good one, everybody. God bless.